Hello guys, so welcome back to the coding channel once again, the Decent Coder guys. And guys, in today's video, we are going to see how we can download any website for free just with a tap. For completing this task, we are going to use an online tool known as STTrack. A lot of you might be knowing about it and a lot of you might be not. So I would be going to tell you about it. So it is one of the most powerful tools through which you can mirror any website, of course, ethically, and also update the already mirrored version of it. It is available for all the platforms like Linux, Windows, Mac, Android, etc. So let's get into it and let's start this video without wasting any further time. So guys, here I will be using up the Parrot OS, and what we need to first do is we would be downloading up the tool using command sudo apt install httrack. Guys, one thing I would need to tell you is that httrack, this tool basically comes pre-installed if you are using Kali Linux. If it is not installed, then you can simply use this command to install it, and let me check for that. And what will happen is it will check for the tool. Since I have already the newest version of this tool installed, so it would be simply complete. But one thing again guys, this command basically, if it doesn't work, then what you can do is you can simply go to the official website of STTrack, and then you can download for all the versions or whichever platform you basically need to through which basically you need to install the particular tool. Now what I would be doing is, let me take you through this tool so that you get an idea how this tool basically works, and you will see some information coming up here which basically shows up that what all you can do through this tool. A lot of information is coming up here. So if you can see here, there it is giving me STTrack version, use STTrack. How can you basically use this tool if you want it via command line? So this is the general options through which you can, all you can do is action operations. Options are basically W for mirroring websites and mirroring, and you can also update, as I told you, the pre-installed version of the particular website. So now what I will do, I will take a random site which is a vulnerable site. If you know about it, if you have watched my earlier videos, I use the site named demo.testfire.net, and I will be using the same website here also. Show the demonstration of this tool to you via that. I will type STTrack and I will simply hit enter. It will ask for the project name. I will give here demo.testfire.net. I will hit enter. It will ask for the base path. I will keep it as same. Enter URLs. I will simply type the URL of that website, demo.testfire.net, and I will hit enter. You can give multiple URLs here by simply appending them with a comma. You can simply give multiple URLs by appending them with a comma. Now it asks me for the action, what I want to perform. I will mirror this website by simply clicking here once, and I will hit enter. Proxy return none, I will ignore that. Again, I will ignore it. And additional options, I do not want to give any additional options since I want to just show it to you. I will click on Y to ready to launch the mirror, and it will start mirroring up this website. It will also capture the proper timing from when you copied this website, so that it can keep a track, and if a newer version will be available, it will automatically update it if you will hit that single command which I will be showing you in the coming part. Now it has started mirroring it up, and we will wait for some time till it mirrors the particular website. And guys, now you can see up here, this has successfully cloned that particular website, and it has given me the, it has if I ls here, you will see there is a websites folder which is being generated, and if I enter here websites, you will be able to see the demo.testfire.net folder which contains my particular cloned web application. And I will enter here. There you can see cookies.txt file, which is basically the cookies it has captured. sts-log.txt file, this is index.html. And if again I enter into demo.testfire, you can see all the pages here. Yeah guys, so also what guys you can do is you can simply pass up the credentials for this web application, and you can capture the post login pages as well using this tool. If I show you any one of the page, let me show you login.html. Suppose I show you the login.html page. You can see here, and you can, if I scroll down, whole page got cloned here. Basically, this tool cloned me the client side code, basically the HTML, CSS, JavaScript and all, which was basically used in the client side. I got all the code, and now I can deploy it in my local environment, and I can see what all things are there. Basically, I can analyze this HTML and I can get an idea what all JavaScript they are using up here and how they have basically implemented and designed their website. So now I can see this and I can get an idea how they have used their website and how they have designed their web application. Their IDs, their forms and all I can analyze now. Guys, now let me tell you how you can basically update the pre-mirrored version of any web application. Let me go back into the destination folder. So guys, now in my websites folder, as you can see, now what I will do is I will simply ls and I will go into demo.testwire.net folder. As soon as I will do that, you can see I am in my demo.testwire.net folder. You have to be in the particular directory which you have mirrored earlier. You have to be in the same directory which you have like mirrored earlier. Then only you can update that particular mirrored version. Now what I will do is I will simply type the command httrack:/update and it will start updating my mirrored version. You can see it will start scanning up all the things, and once it gets finished, it will give me a status that yeah, it's all cloned. Just give it a second and it will update it very soon. And now you can successfully see that it has successfully updated my pre-mirror version of the web application, and I have the latest version of the application now.
Now let's talk about how this tool basically helps cybersecurity researchers and ethical hackers. So if I talk about its use case in this field, then what happens is basically we can, using this tool, we can clone any website and can try it out, it's working in our local environment, and basically we can analyze the client-side code for its part. And other thing is that we can also pass the credentials for a particular application in this using this tool, and we can get the pages which are accessible for that application post login. Now the only disadvantage which I basically faced using this application is, as you might be knowing, that this application works on the basis of crawlers, and if I talk about crawlers, then their working is accordingly. Like if you have ever worked with a crawler, then you might be knowing that it basically doesn't touches the content of the robots.txt file present in any application are to be disallowed, and the pages which are disallowed in that. So basically, since this tool also works on the basis of a crawler, so this also does with the same, and it will not provide you with the pages which are generally disallowed in the robots.txt file, and that is the only disadvantage which I faced when I was working with this tool. So guys, this was for this video. So if you like this video, then please do like, share and subscribe to the channel. Tell me in the comment section about this video, and if you want more ethical hacking and coding tutorials for free. And also, if you guys might be knowing, I do not earn anything from YouTube at present since my channel is not monetized yet. So if you want to support me up and you want that I keep bringing these sort of videos, then please, you can buy me a coffee, and I will provide you with my UPI ID in the description box, and you can buy me a coffee there out, but only if you want. So thank you guys. So till then, tata, goodbye. Let me see you in another video.